Playing sports growing up taught me a lot. I always tell people there are things that you learn playing sports that can't be taught. Walking in and being an underdog when you didn't think you stood a chance, that shining moment that we get, that's the moment I search for in my cases, in my clients, and in my daily life. At times in my life when I felt like I didn't have a voice, I wish I would have had an advocate. And being in a position to be that for people has been extremely rewarding for me and has allowed me to make a career out of being a personal injury attorney. There's something to be said for clients coming to you at sometimes their darkest moments, when they feel like all's been lost, coming to a total stranger that they've never met before and putting that much trust in your hands, that's gotta be a motivation for what we do, and it is.
The night of the accident, I was in the car with my wife and we were going through a hill, and what was in front of us was a car that was completely stopped with no lights, and I unfortunately hit him from the back. I still have some of those flashbacks where I think I'm always going to get in a car crash. The first thing Gerardo said he would do is to get us a doctor, so he was very quick to getting ourselves seen right away. I always come towards Gerardo with a lot of anxiety and a lot of questions, and the way he answers is always very calm, and it just makes me feel like it's just all in my head and things will just get done.
The day of the incident, we had come to a stop sign. I was thrown from the back to the front, and I messed myself up pretty bad. I knew I was gonna have to reach out to an attorney because the insurance company basically threw me out to the wolves, and knowing I couldn't lift 5 pounds, let alone my daughter, my newborn, or take care of anything, I chose to reach out to Mr. Briceno. He kept helping to motivate me, let me know everything's gonna be okay, Bobby. He always have some type of solution to it, and I thank God for them. I really appreciate their whole staff and all the lawyers on their teams. They're awesome.
I invest individual hours into these cases with the people, one-on-one. We try to really understand the story, get their background on their life. This isn't just a process of signing a contract and never calling them again. We're gonna be with you every step of the way until we get to the very end. A lot of clients that walk into this office may never walk again, may never work again, and they feel lost. They feel defeated, they feel helpless. What we try to do is get them back on the right track and tell them, look, we may not be able to get you right back how you were. What we're gonna do is get you to the best place you can possibly be given your new circumstances. It's been my experience in personal injury that the people that most need help are the people that least get it. Being in this position, we're able to find them that help. We are that help.